Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make smart home setups a breeze. Today, we're diving into how to change Wi-Fi on Ring Doorbell 2025. Whether you're moving to a new home, upgrading your router, or just troubleshooting connectivity issues, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Ring doorbells are fantastic for security, but switching Wi-Fi can be a bit tricky if you haven't done it before. Don't worry. I'll walk you through it clearly and quickly. First things first, make sure your Ring doorbell is powered on and within range of your new Wi-Fi network. Grab your smartphone or tablet and open the Ring app. If you don't have it, download it from your app store. It's free and essential for managing your devices. Once you're in the app, log in to your Ring account. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, select Devices to see a list of your connected gear. Find your Ring doorbell in the list and tap on it to enter its settings page. Next, look for the Device Settings option. It's usually right there on the main screen for that device. Scroll down until you see Network or Wi-Fi Settings. Tap on that, and you'll get the option to change your network. If your doorbell is currently connected, you might need to put it into setup mode first. To do this, press and hold the setup button on the back of your doorbell for about 10 seconds until you hear a tone or see the LED light flashing. Now, in the app, select Change Wi-Fi Network. It will prompt you to choose from available networks or enter a new one manually. Pick your desired Wi-Fi network from the list, and if it's not visible, enter the network name, SSID, and password manually. Make sure to double-check your password to avoid any errors. Nothing's more frustrating than a typo. After entering the details, hit Save or Connect. The app will then attempt to reconnect your Ring doorbell to the new network. This might take a minute or two, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll get a confirmation message. To verify everything's working, test your doorbell by ringing it or checking the live feed in the app. And there you have it. Your Ring doorbell is now on the new Wi-Fi. If you run into any issues, like connection failures, ensure your Wi-Fi signal is strong and your doorbell is updated to the latest firmware. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart home tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay connected and safe out there.